just want you grass rats to know, we got new beer glasses. It says Taryl Fixes All on here. And on this side is a picture of me. Yeah. So if you get tired of looking at me, you can turn it around and drink from here. Go to our web store. We also have 11-ounce coffee mugs. You need to get yourself one today. And there's your dinner. Pterodactyl here, and I want to go over some stuff that you may be finding in the fuel tanks of these mowers. Now, if you're working on this small engine stuff and you're cracking these carburetors open and you're finding this black stuff in there, it's charcoal. That's right, charcoal. And the reason they put charcoal in there, it's an EPA thing. It's supposed to trap the gas vapors from entering the atmosphere. And the problem is, sometimes these things fall apart due to vibration or whatever. So they put that charcoal on a lot of these in the gas cap. The gas cap will have the charcoal inside there. And some of them, they're putting the charcoal in the tank itself. So if you're working on this stuff and you're coming across a bunch of crap in the tank and you're wondering, well, how'd that get in there? Some little kid must have dropped all this stuff in there. No, if it's black, like black pellets, it's charcoal. And that's an EPA thing. So this one had fallen apart. And there's a little metal ball in there and a cap. This was taken off of a commercial, I believe it was a commercial Toro. Whether it has a Kawasaki or a Kawasaki engine on it, or a crawler, or you notice those big, large gas caps now, a lot of those gas caps have charcoal in them. So we've got one here. Let's pop this thing open and see what's inside. And I believe this gas tank here, this compartment here, is where they were putting the charcoal. So let's pop some of this, see if we can pop some of this stuff apart. Let me get a better screwdriver. So this gas tank that came off of that Toro commercial walk-behind mower, this gas cap doesn't contain the charcoal. The charcoal is in this compartment here. And there was a vent tube on here that had got broken off. And then this cap and this ball probably fell out from inside the tank. So I'm pretty sure the charcoal is underneath this cap here. And I'm going to try to see if we could remove it, because this tank is junk anyway. Okay, there's a spring. I don't know what that was for. And you can see there's a filter material back there. And there's the charcoal. There it is. There's the little charcoal pellets. Here they come. And that's all to trap the vapors from going into the air. So of course, sometimes this will get into the fuel system. So if you're wondering, what is that stuff? That's what it is. They use them on cars, the older cars, to trap the vapors from hitting the air. This is nothing new. It's been going on a long time. I've got one of these charcoal canisters on my 71 Triumph Spitfire, so that'll let you know how long. So this cap is off a crawler engine. This is a different gas cap. So I'm going to try to pry this one apart. And another problem is, if that charcoal gets wet with gasoline in the cap, because the cap has to vent, sometimes that'll ruin the charcoal. It'll get saturated and it'll ruin the cap and it won't vent. And then when it uses up the air in the tank, you know, the engine's going to run lean and it's going to quit. Then you take the cap off and you go, oh, it's got plenty of gas in there. You just gave it a bunch of air and you put the cap back on and runs for a minute or two again. And then it shuts off when it uses up that air. This one's being a little difficult to pry apart. We'll get it. There we go. All right, let's see what's in this one. Oh, there's the charcoal. There it is. See? There's all that charcoal. And the little filters. So if you're finding that stuff in the fuel system, in the tank, or in the carburetor, and you're wondering where it came from, now you know. And there's your dinner. Pterodactyl here, and you grass rats need to be following me on Facebook and Instagram so you can keep up to date on all the latest things that's going on here at the shop. So go to Facebook and Instagram and follow me right now. Come on, follow me. And there's your dinner. Woo! Facebook and Instagram! Follow me! Whoa! Somebody push me.